In this video, I will be showing you how I customize my phone to turn the screen on and off and adjust the volume without the use of hardware buttons. I had a Motorola Atrix before with a broken volume button, which lowered its resale value a lot. Ever since then, I've wanted to preserve the hardware buttons and look for ways to control my phone through the use of various apps. So I accomplished this with Apex Launcher, Screen Off and Lock, Gravity Screen, and Slider Widget. Okay, so here I have Apex Launcher. I'm using the free version because it allows you to use gestures on the home screen. The second app you'll need is Screen Off and Lock, and when you get it, you'll get two icons. The first one is Screen Off, which turns the screen off, and the second one is for the settings for the application. So the settings, we don't really need to bother with anything here, so just leave it alone, so we don't need it. So we'll go to Apex Settings, and you'll go to Behavior Settings, that's for the gestures. You'll scroll down to Desktop Double Tap, and then you'll select Launch App. And then you'll select the Screen Off application. Then you'll select OK, and it should be all set up. So now we can double tap the home screen and it turns off the screen. It can happen on any page, so here's my second page, and double tap and it's off. So the next application I'll show is Gravity Screen, which is what I use with my fingers to activate the proximity sensor. So here's Gravity Screen. You can see the pocket sensor, the table sensor, which I don't really use. The important one is proximity on and off. And here's some more settings. Make sure you select Start App Boot. I'm going to show you an example of the pocket sensor. So when it's at 60 degrees, when it's tilted 60 degrees and you put it in your pocket, it's going to turn the screen off. So I'm emulating that by covering the proximity sensor, tilting it 60 degrees, and you see the screen turns off. When I take it out of my pocket, the screen turns back on again. So the last application that I'll show you is Slider Widget, which saves the volume buttons. So it's on my home screen on the second page. It's right there in the top corner. So the first button allows me to set my ringtone volume, so I can increase it or I can decrease it. I can set it to vibration mode or silent mode. And the second button adjusts the media volume, so my music or my YouTube videos and stuff like that. So I can go to when I go to the widget, it actually shows some of the more advanced settings. So you can see the categories, order. There's some other stuff, but when you go to categories and order, you can set different adjustments, so you can actually adjust the brightness with one of the buttons, but I like to stick with ring volume and video volume. And then you can go to colors and background. So you can see mine is currently white. You can make the background transparent, and you can adjust the colors to like either blue or whatever. The original is hollow blue, which is the ice cream sandwich colors, but I stuck to white for a more Kit Kat feel. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.